Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with a very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, easy to make, simple and beginner friendly embroidery design that are specifically designed for formal dresses. As you are seeing that these dresses are made on velvet fabric. So the beauty and creativity makes them much more elegant, unique and formal at the same time. Before going into the further details and depth of this video, I have a simple request to you that please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and share my video with your friends and family members so that you can remain notified with the latest updates on my channel. Please turn on the notifications and on daily basis we travel our best to share creativity and beautiful design ideas with you, and in return all we want is your love, your support, your feedback, and in the comment section your choices that what you want us to share with you and more and new upcoming videos. Guys, this video is unique in itself in its context because the very simple, easy, beginner friendly stitches like lazy daisy stitch, French knot, satin stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch have been used to make the whole embroidery pattern. The beauty and creativity of these patterns and the design ideas is that you can use them for every age group person, like teenagers. Dresses could be designed by making use of these very beautiful, simple, sleek and elegant patterns of embroidery. Office going outfits could be designed by following these patterns. The beauty and creativity is that if you already have a plain shirt or a plain kurti or a plain kameez that is already in your use, but you want to recreate its new look, then you can make use of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto that plain fabric kurti, and a new pattern would be made and the whole dress will look like freshly bought designer style pattern. So on my channel I have shared thousands of millions of designs of hand embroidery, of handwork, needlework, hand art. So go explore there and keep watching us, keep loving us, and with this allow me to leave and stay tuned for the more new upcoming videos onto my channel.